Okay, check this out. Alexa, turn on the studio lights. I know my whole room speaks Govee. I love Govee. I mean, they don't have a single product that I don't like, and they didn't send me anything. It's not that they sent me this ones or the other ones or the other ones. I actually got all these one because I really like Govee. But there's one product that came out recently. I mean, I don't know. By the time that I'm putting this video out, it came out recently. By the time you're watching this video, it may be for a long time. I don't know. But it's this one right here. Those mini LED lights, those mini lights that I'm going to show you in a close up in a few seconds, they're fantastic. They kind of like, you can reshape it whatever shape you want. They come in pieces of 20 pieces and 10 pieces, so you can kind of like get multiple packs and just do your own thing. You can do a fish, you can do one of those like super cool things right here from old school games like arcade games. I don't want to say the name. I know which one is it, but I'm not going to say the name. You can actually do any shapes you want, and you can connect them in between each other. I mean, yeah, as long it is like a square shape, you can connect them within each other. So that's a really good thing. But the best thing is that it is paired with your smart devices and the app. Govee app, it works so good every single time. I mean, I can do so many things that I'm going to show you again in a few seconds, but they're like scenes, they're like fixed colors that you're going to see over here. I can just like change the colors just with the click of a button. I can actually talk to the smart devices, and I can do scenes, for example. I can do, like a sunset glowing or something like that. Rainbow, that's the one that I like, kind of like the rainbow, just because it has all the colors over there. But the other one, super good one, is like, let's sample this one right here. So this is kind of like the music one, which is reacting to my voice. Right here, reacting to my voice. Let's just take a closer look. And again, you can just change the modes however you want, whatever you want, and the app is so good. Let's actually go for the rainbow scene. As you can see right here, it's just like a rainbow one. And I swear the camera is not making any justice to this because there's so much light in my room that you can't actually see the really good colors that Govee apps have. So the other good thing, of course, you can actually sketch them. You can actually change their direction over there from what ways actually going. The lights are going left to right, right to left, bottom up. You can actually change all that. You can do your own thing over here. But I do like the music one. I think the music one is actually pretty good. It's actually shut up right now. See, nothing is happening until I'm talking again. So that is really good. I do love this Govee lights, these new ones, these mini LED ones with the app and the smart devices. I think they're beautiful. And of course, they're going to actually kind of like change your whole room, your whole man cave, your office, your gaming room / whatever you want to do. They're super easy to use and connect to each other. And of course, with the app and the smart devices, just get as many packs as you want and start creating your own shape.